Hello kids. Let's learn letter B. Look carefully and answer. You carry your things in it. What is this? Bag. Can you say it? Bag. B is for bag. It flies in the sky. What is this? Bird. Can you say it? Bird. B is for bird. You can play and bounce it. What is this? Ball. Can you say it? Ball. B is for ball. It floats on water. What is this? Boat. Can you say it? Boat. B is for boat. It takes children to school. What is this? Bus. Can you say it? Bus. B is for bus. It rings loudly. What is this? Bell. Can you say it? Bell. B is for bell. You sleep on it. What is this? Bed. Can you say it? Bed. B is for bed. A long yellow fruit. What is this? Banana. Can you say it? Banana. B is for banana. We read stories in it. What is this? Book. Can you say it? Book. B is for book. You use it to hit the ball. What is this? Bat. Can you say it? Bat. B is for bat. We drink water from it. What is this? Bottle. Can you say it? Bottle. B is for bottle. A big furry animal. What is this? Bear. Can you say it? Bear. B is for bear. A small child. What is this? Baby. Can you say it? Baby. B is for baby. You can ride it. What is this? Bike. Can you say it? Bike. B is for bite. It makes honey. What is this? B. Can you say it? B. B is for bee. It helps you cross a river. What is this? Bridge. Can you say it? Bridge. B is for bridge. It floats in the air. What is this? Balloon. Can you say it? Balloon. B is for balloon. A tasty snack. What is this? Biscuits. Can you say it? Biscuits. B is for biscuits. Great job, you learned so many B words. Can you say them again? Next, let's learn letter C words. Subscribe for fun learning videos of all letters A to Z.